Bonjour Abu. Hello everyone. 7th grade student, as you know, we have done our chapter number 2nd, but few exercises are left. So today we will cover the few exercises. So this is your 7th exercise on your page number 37. So in this exercise, before doing this exercise, I will tell you the concept of this exercise. So here on the page number 32, there is a topic. So in this topic they are just simply say somewhere if the sentence is constructed with two verbs, then the second verb will remain same. For example, in this lines, il aime faire ses études the université means he like to do. So in this sentence there are two verbs. First is like and second is to do. So according to the topic we will change only the first one verb. This aime we will change, and you know very well how to conjugate a verb. For example, with il, if there is a aime means like, so with il you have to cut this r. These rules you know very well. So in this exercise we have to change only first one verb. So on the basis of this concept we will do the exercise number 7. So in exercise number 7, Pierre aime jouer au tennis. Aim means like, jouer means play. So here we just change only aim, jouer will remain same. Like as nous vouloir envoyer. Vouloir means want, envoyer means send un packet à notre ami. One packet to your friend. Then how to change it? First of all we have to convert vouloir according to the nous. So if you know the conjugation rule, then you know very well with nous we use voulons. So this vouloir will change into voulons. Okay, the meaning of the vouloir is want. So these changes we have to do, and I have done these changes for you. These are the answers. Nous voulons envoyer un paquet à notre ami. You want to send a packet to your friend. Jean désirait son petit déjeuner à la cafeteria. Jean wants to take his petit déjeuner means breakfast in the cafeteria. Suvi doit lire des journaux. Suvi wants to read. Lire means read. Des journaux means the newspaper. Monsieur Lenoir, Mr. Lenoir prefer acheter, prefer to purchase a billet de train à la gare, the ticket of the train at the station. He preferred to purchase a ticket of the train at the station. So here this prefer will change, the last er will cut according to the rule. So here are the answers. Mary peut écrire un poème. Mary can write a poem. Hélène aime danser. Hélène like the dance. Il faut travailler dur pour réussir. It is necessary to work for the success. Joseph déteste aller à la opéra. Joseph hate to go to the opera. So these are the answers. Write down the answer in your book with pencil. Now the second exercise is exercise number 8. In this exercise you have to convert the sentences into interrogative by using inversion method. As you know, we have done the 3 methods of interrogation in French. This page we have already done, so I request to you all, please revise this page. We have 3 types: intonation by changing tone, ask by adding ask, and the third one is inversion method. In inversion method, you invert the verb and the subject to make it into interrogative form. So on the basis of this concept, Sophie choisit la robe blanche, means Sophie choose the skirt, the dress white. Now here you have to convert into interrogative. So how to convert? This is the answer. Sophie choose elle. Elle is using for Sophie, means she choose her dress white question mark. So here you have to add L by yourself. Okay, L is your subject here, and before subject you have to put verb. Verb plus subject will become your inversion method. So I think this is clear to you all. So I have done this exercise for you. These are the answers. Please write down the answers. I am telling you the meaning also. Ton père revient il de Paris? Your father come from the Paris question mark. Rohini va-t-elle sa samedi? Rohini go this Saturday. Les élèves sont le cours de français dimanche. The élèves do the course of French Sunday question mark. Roger prend il du café? Roger take the cafe question mark. Les parents sont les contents de leur enfant. Content means happy. The parents are happy for their children. Achète t-il une belle robe? She purchased a beautiful skirt. Akash ne comprendre il parle français. Akash don't learn the French. So according to the Akash we will put il. Okay, according to the parents they are plurals, we use else. According to the Roger, he is a boy, so we are using il. So according to this you have to put this pronoun like il, elle. Okay, so these are the questions. Il y a un oiseau dans les oiseaux. He has a bird in the tree arbor. So MLA has two Shah means cat. This is your 8th exercise. Now ninth exercise. In 9th exercise you have to simply ask the question. So here are the questions. You have to just reply it. First question is tu aimes le tennis question mark. Do you like the tennis? So the answer is yes, I like the tennis. This you have to write down in French. Il ne fait pas beau aujourd'hui. The weather is not good today question mark. They are asking the question. And next is n'avez-vous pas souvent au cinéma? You don't want to go to cinema. Voulez-vous aller au Suisse? Do you want to go to Switzerland? Est-ce que vous travaillez le dimanche? Do you work the Sunday? Vous ne regardez pas la télé? You don't watch the television. Ton père aime-t-il le cricket? Your father like the cricket. Il ne comprendre pas l'anglais. He doesn't understand the English. Est-ce que les garçons n'étudient pas l'école? Do the students don't learn in the school? Les filles n'ont pas de cahiers. The girls don't have the notebooks. These are the questions and the answers. And the answers are here. Yes, I like the tennis. Yes, the weather is beautiful. So these are the answer. Write down this answer Meanings are same, I told you already. So write down this answer in your book. So in the 10th exercise, you just have to convert into the negative form. So no need to do this exercise. You already know how to convert the negative by na, pa. You know this very well. So don't need to do this exercise. So 11th exercise, you have to put the our verb. So our verb you already know. We have done this our verb. So directly I am sending you the answers of this exercise. These are the answers of 11th exercise. So pause your video here and write down the answer in your book. So 12th exercise, student, we have already done. Okay, and the 13th exercise. This is the 13th exercise. So there is no enough space in your book here. So you can't do this exercise in your book. So drop this exercise. So student, from my end, your second chapter is completed. From the next class, we will do the next chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay student, au revoir, bye bye, see you soon.